Hello all, welcome to part 34 of JavaScript for Beginners series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about math object in JavaScript. So let's get started. First of all, I'll open this Visual Studio Code IDE and here I'll create a sample JavaScript file say demo.js. Now I'll type the math object, that is math, and when I say dot guys, okay, when I try to access the properties of this math object, I'll get a lot of properties here. If I filter them by typing p, I'm getting something known as pi. Okay, in mathematics the value of pi is 3.14159 and so on, right? If I try to print this math.py, it will print the same value, that is console.log of math.py. If I run this code here, okay, you will see that the value of the pi got printed here. Similarly guys, if you want to perform different mathematical operations in JavaScript, then you can use this math object, and with the help of the different properties of the math object we can achieve that. Okay, if I say math dot sqrt square root, okay, just give some number guys. If you want to find the square root of 4 in mathematics, you will get the result as 2, right? So the same thing will happen here. If I run this code, you'll get 2 as a output. Okay, math dot square root of 4 is 2. Then we have a lot of other stuff guys other than this pi square root. There are a lot of things guys, okay, not only the things that I am demonstrating in this session, but there are a lot of other stuff. Okay, a lot of operations in mathematics can be done guys, but I have chosen only few based on our use and all. Okay, the regular use and all. Okay, this can be used in real time, but a lot of things are possible in mathematics guys, right? So a lot of things are there in JavaScript to perform different type of mathematical operation apart from whatever I am demonstrating in this session. Okay, let's go with the next one round guys. Let me demonstrate few mathematical operations and we'll wind up this session. Okay, round off, math dot round off. If you give some value say 33 point, okay, 33.567, something like this, some random number. So here what will happen is, after the decimal point, whatever the value is there, if that particular value is 5 or greater than 5, then this value will change to 4. Okay, it will be rounded to 4. It will become 34 guys. Okay, it will become, instead of 33 it will become 34 based on this value, first value, which is after the decimal point. What if this value is 4? In that case, since this particular value of the decimal point is less than 5, it will be rounded to 33 only. Okay, this particular total value will be rounded to 33. Decimal point will go off guys first of all, and the remaining value, in the remaining value, the round off thing will happen based on the first value after the decimal point. Okay, if this particular value is 5 or greater than 5, then this will become 4 guys. That will, it will print 34 in the output. You see, in this case it will print 34 in the output. You got 34. What if I simply make this 4 or 3 or something? In this case it will become 33. It will be rounded off to 33. You see, like this. Hope you understood what is round. Now we have other things like seal. Okay, sealing of the number. Sealing means even though this particular first value of the decimal point is less than 5, okay, it will be still sealed to 34 guys. Okay, it will go to the top number. Okay, if you have some value of the decimal point, this will become 34 guys. Okay, so let's see that it will print 34 here. You see, you got 34. Let me clear this out. Now what about floor? There's another thing known as math.floor. Here it will stick to 33. Okay, it will stick to 33 no matter what the value is there, even though it has 0.7 also, 0.7 also, still even though it is greater than 5 also, this will be 33 only because you are choosing floor. Node demo dot yes 33. Okay, similarly we have trunk guys. Okay, trunk doesn't matter guys. Okay, whatever the values that are after the decimal point doesn't matter, it will strictly print whatever that is before the decimal point. Okay, it doesn't matter whether the value is 5 or greater than 5, less than 5, it doesn't matter here. Simply change this math dot something to trunk. Okay, trunk. Say no demo dot js. You see 33 got printed. It doesn't matter what is the value after the decimal point. Okay, simply it will trunk off the decimal values. Then power off. Okay, so if I say 10 comma 2, power of 10 comma 2 means 10 power 2. What is 10 power 2? 10 into 2, 10, right? 2 times you have to multiply 10. 10 into 10. 2 times we have to multiply 10. 10 into 10. That is 100. So 100 will be printed in the output using this power. Okay, you got 100 in the output. The next one. So random. it's very important, guys. Okay, this can come to use. Okay, this can come to use very often. So random. If I simply print this match.random, guys, it will print some random value between 0 and 1 in decimal points. Okay, so let's see that demo.js. If I say, it will print some values from 0 to 1 in between 0 to 1 in decimal points. Okay, but guys, if you don't want to print this random number from 0 to 1, rather you want to print from 1 to let's say 1 to 10. Okay, in that case you can go with multiply by 10, guys. Okay, just multiply this math.random with 10. Still it's not 1 to 10, guys. It will give the values from the range of 0 to 9. Okay, when you multiply math.random with 10, it will give you the values from 0 to 9, not 1 to 10. Okay, just keep that in mind. So you see, but decimal point is still coming, guys. I want to truncate that. I'll simply say trunk of math.trunk of. I'll surround this portion with another math.trunk. Okay, so that decimal point will be removed. Math.trunk of, just surround this entire thing with trunk. Okay, done. Now clear node demo.js. So just see, guys, whenever I'm running the same code, guys, last time we got 2 in the output, random into 10 has resulted into. Now if I say you got 6 this time, random numbers are coming every time. Okay, 0 came. It's 0 to 9, guys. Okay, if you want from 1 to 10, then here just add +1, guys. Okay, that's it. Just add +1. It will give 1 to 10 range. Demo.js, no demo.js, no demo.js, random numbers, guys. Okay, every time you run this code, you'll get a random number. You see, till 9 it came so far. 10 also came. That means 1 to 10 is working. Demo.js, no demo.js. Okay, guys, it keeps on going. I don't want to run this many number of times. This is fine for now. Okay, this is fine for now. Every time you run this code, you'll get a random number between 1 to 10. If you want from 1 to 100, then you have to make it into 100. Okay, it will give a random number from 1 to 100. So if I run this time you'll get the random numbers in between 1 to 100. You see, 12 came. No demo dot. Yes, 1 came. 100 also came. Okay, 1 to 100. So like that, guys, hope you understood how to use the random method of this math object. So like this, guys, there are a lot of other operations you can perform with this math object. Okay, but whatever that is necessary, I have demonstrated in this session. So that's all for this session, guys. Thank you. Bye.